Hi. Are you braver to? Oh no. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. Oh, baby. What about your bro? Your bro is nice and sweet. Yeah. Got crusty food all over you. Yeah. And then who's this? It's baby Confetti, aka Quinley. Yeah. And then you imprisoned one. Yeah. You're not feeling too hot? Oh, I'm sorry. I can't let you. I can't do it. Oh, hi. Hi, Sammy. What is this? You could sniff me. It's okay. Oh, you've let me pet you before. No, am I moving too fast? I'm sorry. What about all the other babies? Hi. Is this Rye? I think this might be Rye. Yeah, Miss Rye? Miss Rye with you. You got a crusty face, huh? You're a bit of a crusty kitten. Miss Rye. Where's the others? Huh? Nobody in there? Oh. Oh, oh, oh. You did it. Hi, Hazel. Hello, Hazel. Hey, Hazel. Hi, baby girl. What about you? Claudio? Hey. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. You're in jail. You're in jail. You're in jail for dirty crimes.